Sa layo na narating namin, ayun yung sasakyan, no? Layo, oh.
Ayun daw guys.
Ayun, no, yung mga sasakyan. Pero ang layo na narating namin. Guys, talaga. Girls and people.
People.
Di ba mga ka-people?
Nahingal na daw ang aking ama.
Ha? Ka-people, nakakapagod pala pag matandaan na.
Wala pa nga eh. Daddy, nasan tayo ngayon?
I don't know.
Ala!
Brushy Peak,
Brushy Peak. Ano gagawin natin?
Livermore. We're walking.
Ganda hike, di ba?
We're hiking.
Kasama namin si Baby Kenji. Siya yung nanghihila ng camera ko. Diba, Kenji? Originally, so share ko sa inyo. T-shirt lang yung suot ko, guys. Tapos, malamig pala, grabe. Akala ko mainit kasi sa totohanan lang naman, mainit naman talaga today dito sa amin. But it's so cold. I'm really cold. Okay, I'll keep you updated. Hi guys! Maaga tayong medyo nagising today kasi nag-aya ang aking dad, ang aking mahal na ama, na mag-hiking. Ay, nawala na yung aso ko, guys. Ay, Kenji! Hoy! Saan ka? And before we leave, I'm taking Kenji out to do his business. He's over there. Ang sabi ko na sa inyo. Oh my God, guys. I think ang itim ko. Anyways, so it's currently 6 a.m. in the morning, and we are getting ready. I'm ready already. I'm in the car now. I'm just waiting for Dad to finish getting ready. So, update ko na lang kayo pag nandun na kami sa hiking site. Thank you! Bye-bye! Guys, tingnan nyo kung sino yung pagod na. Tingnan nyo guys kung sino yung pagod na. Ito. Tsaka ito.
Pagod.
Pagod na sila guys. Itong aso ko nagpakarga. Parang prinsipe ba? Ayaw niya daw kasi maglakad. Update lang. Hindi namin alam kung nasa na kami. Sabi ni Dad paliko, pero yun mo, dead end na. Ayan, sumisikat na po yung araw. And it's getting hot in here. Baba ko muna sa Kenji. Grabe ang bigat. Kapon nag-gym ako. Nagbuhat ako ng mga 5 kilos. 5 kilos, 5 pounds per hand. Sa Kenji, 10 pounds. Isang hand. Hindi ka pala kaya. Sorry, Kenji. Init na. Wait, Dad, time out. Tanggalin ko na yung jacket ko. Oh, Dad, nasa na tayo?
Nasa Livermore pa rin.
Ito na yung... Oh my gosh, it's so windy!
Bundok ng bundok.
Wala, may magots. Kenji, dahan-dahan, may magots. Huy, 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 wag yan. Basta wag, Kenji, wag kang uupo ha.
Nakapagpahinga naman na siya eh.
Oo nga.
Bit-bit ng kanyang nanay.
Kaya nga. Yan. Oh my gosh, Dad. Taas.
Oh, nice.
Hindi kailangan ko bumili ng service. Pangalay pala ito sa kamay. Oh! Guys, look, oh! It's Livermore! Oh! Ayun yung car natin, Ted, oh!
That's our car. Right over there.
There it is, guys. The electric fans.
Of Livermore! Para palamigin ang Tracy.
Yes.
Mainit daw
Wala
kami sa
kasi
Tracy.
kaming aircon, guys. So, puro electric fan lang kami.
Hinihigop ang mga praskong hangin galing sa Livermore papuntang Tracy. At para lumamig ang Central Valley.
Yes.
Kasi dito kung malamig, kung sa amin kung mainit.
Yes. Pero minsan di naabot. Minsan di naabot. Mainit pa rin. Guys, look. Ayan yung mga daming rocks and trees dito sa taas. Sabi ni Daddy, ibig sabihin daw, dito nagsettle yung mga American Indians before. Kasi ang daming trees. Ayun, no? Ano, meron ba?
Ayaw na?
Ano na ni Kenji, guys? Pagod na siya.
Ilang oras pa lang naman ah.
Okay. So, malapit na tayo ay! Malapit na tayo bumalik sa mga sasakyan. Nandun kami galing. Somewhere there. Doon kami galing kanina. Nakapag-ikot na kami.
Pagod ka talaga, Dudong. Ito ka na nga sa balikat ko, Dong. Ah, yan. Diyan ka sa taas. Yan.
Oo, mahulog naman.
Binibit ko ng bata. Diyan ka lang. Yan, diba? Para kang si Lion King. Ito po, ano tanggal?
Oh, lumilipad, Dad. Lumilipad.
Wow! Look at the waves! And Kenji's head! So nice! Oh, look at this! Oh, talagang kala mo naglalakad yung kabayo.
Spoiled ka, Kenji, ah.
Ah, naka-record ba yan? Hello! Tired! Not because of walking, but because of carrying this small giant. Kaya ba yan, Kenji? Sabihan mo naman, cheer up mo naman ako. Sabihin mo, kaya mo yan, Lolo. Dali, cheer up ako. Cheer up, kaya mo yan, Lolo. You can bring me. Carry me. Huh. Look at that. Look at this, the waves in his face. He loves it, Nadia. Let's look. He loves the waves. Look at it. Selfie dapat tayo ng ganito, Kenji.
Picture tayo, picture. Pause muna, pause. Kenji, tingin.
Thank you.
Hindi nga lang siya nakatingin.
Hindi naman yan tumitingin sa camera eh. Ano dapat ka nakatingin? Yan, pasok sa akin.
Ayan na po yung mga cars, guys.
Tired.
Hi! We just finished the hike and we're in the car now.
2 hours and 40 minutes.
And we started from the bottom, and we made a
6:55.
whole circle. So we started at 6:55. It's now 9:45. And now we're gonna go have food. So this was overall a very enjoyable bonding moment with Daddy.
Thank you.
And sabi niya, we're gonna do this every Friday now. So I have to call off work every Friday now. Okay, Dad, what's your remarks?
It was awesome. I didn't feel tired, but I am perspiring. Well, that's a lie. I feel a little bit tired.
But it's not like before, right?
Not like before, yes. Not
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
It's
And
good.
it was a good one
It's a good up,
because it was
down, up, down.
yeah. In the beginning it was still really cold because it was early morning, but it didn't get too hot. So right now it's getting pretty hot.
It's just nice. I think you finished by this time, you're okay. But if you start by this time, oh, it's gonna be really hot up there.
I'm gonna burn. I applied so many layers of sunblock, but
And
I
she
still think
dropped
I got darker.
her sunblock somewhere.
I did.
Yeah,
It's gone.
gone. And I'm just ready to go home
Yes.
and eat.
Yes. Okay, so that's it for our vlog today, guys. Thank you so much for joining. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Bye!